Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, Traders Pro. Market conditions, bullish in a bull market, and continuing that overall uptrend. The momentum is to the upside. We're seeing just an extreme move here now. The red line here, the orange line, has had this sharp spike, which is oftentimes we'll see this set up now. We'll see things kind of moving higher with the overall sentiment, and then breadth will lag, and then we'll get a spike in momentum, just like we're seeing right here. That oftentimes can be some capitulation type rallying or exuberant rallying. We'll see if we get any kind of retracement from these levels. We're about as far as we can get as far as the momentum range, and some extreme that can pause and dance around here, but more than likely we'll see some type of a counter trend, or at least a consolidation right here. We'll look at the chart, S&P chart, in just a minute. We've got breadth, which is also solidly bullish in that uptrend. It's been moving slightly back up to the right here, and during this last rally, and then sentiment also in this upper extreme range. We're still seeing buy-sell ratio stuck right in the middle here, and sitting right at 1.03 right there. So a little tug of war still happening in the overall broad market, with the breadth and participation right there stuck right at a buy-sell ratio of 1, and sentiment on the overall market, S&P 500, in that upper range as well. If we take a look at sectors, we haven't seen a big shift, at least in the last day or two. We're still sitting right here. We're seeing things gradually becoming slightly more bullish, either going from sell to hold, or one or two of those going from hold back to a buy. So it's still relatively mixed market internals here with the overall sectors and the trends associated with those sectors currently. Also, if we take a look at commodities and oil's had a big pop here. It's now marching higher, stair-stepping higher through this $71 range, and now it's in this upper area here, 73.50 to 71.27 is that new range now for USO. So a retracement or retest back to 71.27 for support. And so we should start seeing some stocks, some energy oil stocks, start to move into that new buy list. I think there's one or two of those in there today we'll take a look at. Let's take a look at gold while we're here. And it's still not doing a whole lot. It's just kind of retraced back in, still in that upper zone, or attempting to maintain that upper zone, but nothing overly interesting in the last day or two. Steel has been moving higher and then retracing back down here as well. Interesting price pattern. I don't have copper in here. I'm going to add that in there, but that also is looking good as well. Let's jump over to the muscle stocks group, and we've got a couple new buys in here that are interesting. NGL, which has got that nice breakout, solid confirmation bar, some nice volume, retrace back into that $5 range, into that counter trend location, and now it's maintaining that upper momentum zone in that 6-month time frame. A nice setup here. Let's jump over to a couple of other. Oh, still seeing some of those medical stocks, IRON, Biomed, nice uptrend. It looked like it wanted to break out here a few days ago, and then retraced, and is attempting to hold some support right here as well. MOR, also good solid confirmation breakout bar on. Lots of volume, and another biotech stock. Those are continuing to move. Seeing a handful of other big name stocks. We've got Airbnb down here, which is also showing some signs of life, back in that upper momentum zone there as well. So a couple handful of stocks there for you to consider today. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.